We are not only going to make an orzo salad today, we are also going to make our own dressing for it. Let's do this. Cook your orzo pasta as directed on the package. Let it cool down before you start adding all of your veggies. I'm going with some multicolored bell peppers, cucumber, tomato, red onion, and I love cheese, so let's crumble in a ton of feta. While that sits onto the side there, we're gonna make our dressing. I'm gonna use avocado oil and a ton of lemon juice. I don't measure, I'm just gonna use my jar and fill it up almost all the way. A lemon and herb seasoning and a little spoonful of honey for sweetness. Give it a really good shake. That is our dressing. I'm gonna pour that all over my pasta and veggies and give it a really good mix. You can put this in the refrigerator for a little bit before serving just to kind of let everything come together. And because I like pepper, lemon and pepper go well together on this one. You can add that in as an option. That's it. Beautiful, fresh, crisp vegetables, lots of feta cheese, and a homemade dressing to brighten it up with all that lemony flavor. I love this. It keeps in the fridge for a good couple days if you just want to scoop some out to have a snack. That's kind of what I do. Put a little bit of protein beside it, like a piece of chicken or some tofu. Even a nice piece of fish would go wonderfully with this. Thank you so much for stopping by this silly kitchen. I hope you try this recipe or any other recipe that I come up with. I really appreciate you being here. Till next time.